Hey guys, welcome to the Blue Snowball iCE unboxing, and as you can tell right now, this is the box that came in with the microphone. Now I got the black matte version of the Blue Snowball iCE, and it also comes with a tripod, and everything comes in the same color. So the box is very minimal and it came with only about 3 things. The first thing was the tripod. This is where you basically put the microphone body itself on. Up next that came out of the box was the USB connector, as well as the manual that came along with it. Up next is the actual main attraction, which is the microphone itself, and the Snowball iCE actually came in a very nice and clean looking matte black. Now although the mic is a little bit bigger than the tripod that it came with itself, you can get a boom arm and a pop filter for it if you wish, although that does cost a little bit more extra money, but that is an option if you are willing to go down that path. Setting up the actual mic and the mic stand was pretty easy. The mic is basically plug and play, but in order to put it onto the tripod you basically had to screw it in like a nail. Other than that, the process was pretty simple. The last step to setting up the mic was basically just connecting the USB wire into your mic and then into your computer. And now the mic is ready to be used. So this is the Blue Snowball mic that I am speaking into as of right now. This microphone is actually not that bad for a beginner microphone. The starting price for this microphone on Amazon as of right now is 40 bucks. You can probably find it maybe at 30 bucks on other websites, but this microphone is a pretty good beginner microphone. You can for sure use this on commentaries for regular gameplay, just really streaming or anything like that. You don't necessarily need a pop filter unless you are looking for one, and you don't necessarily need a boom arm, but that's really up to you. That's really just a preference that you should or shouldn't have. It's really just up to you. I do recommend this mic for just beginner usage. It is only mono-directional, so you can only speak through it with only one person. Having 2 people or 3 people may not work as well. You will have to get a omnidirectional microphone for that one, but I do recommend this microphone if you're the only person using it. But yeah, that is basically my little mic test here, and that is the end of this video. That will be my unboxing video of the Blue Snowball iCE. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to also subscribe and turn on post notifications. Don't forget to also follow my social media, which is down in the description below. I'll leave all those links there, and yeah, I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.